Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS 13 Beta 2 on any iOS device that can run iOS 13. Now this tutorial will be a little bit different and will show you how to do it without a computer and without a developer account. So this is the easiest possible way to get iOS 13 on your iOS device, and as long as you follow the steps, you'll be able to get it, and it'll only take literally 5 to 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this video. So now once we are on our iDevice, and the one that I'm using is my iPad Pro. So now once we're on it, the first thing that we're going to do is click on the very first link down in the description down below. It'll take you to AppleCritics.com to be a full written tutorial on what you need to do. So once you go to that tutorial and you click on that link in that tutorial, it'll take you to this page. So here you'll have it. It'll have all the iOS downloads. It'll have watchOS downloads, tvOS downloads. But what we're going to do is focus on the iOS 13 and iPad OS download that it has. So what we're going to do is actually press on download. And then it'll take you to this page. So you're going to press allow. And now you're going to see that it'll ask you to install a beta profile. So what you're going to do is press on install. And then you're going to enter in your passcode. And then you're going to install it. And then hit install again. And then it'll say restart required. So it says please restart your iPad to apply changes. So I'm going to hit restart. And now you can see it's booting up again. So now what we can do is go into settings, and then what we're going to do is click on general, and then we're going to go to where it says software update, and then we'll check for a software update, and then you're going to see that it will say iPad OS 13 developer beta 2. So this will be the same if you have an iPhone, it'll just say iOS 13 instead of iPad OS 13. So now all you have to do is just simply press on where it says download and install. And then you're just going to enter in your passcode if you have one. And now you can see that it's beginning to download, and it has the estimated time remaining feature right there. So now you can see that it's currently downloading, and it'll still take 2 hours, but it really won't take that long. And now in the meantime, just to prove I am not on iOS 13 already, we can go into the general tab, and then we can go into about. And then if we take a look at the version, it's going to say iOS 12.1.4. And now if we take a look, it says preparing update. So now it's finished downloading, and it's just focusing on the update now. And now if we take a look at preparing update, you can see that there's also the progress bar right here. So it's about halfway done. And now you can see that it says downloaded. So now you can see that we have the option to install now. So we can just press it. And now it's verifying the update. So you can see the progress of it. So now you can see that it's loading up. And it's actually moving pretty fast. So now you can see that it booted up. So you can just go ahead and swipe up. And now you can see that it says update completed. So your iPad was updated successfully. And then there's just a few more steps to follow. And then I'm done. So what I can do is just hit continue. And we can set up Apple Pay Later in settings. And then we can choose to share app analytics or not. So I'm going to say don't share. And now we finally have the option for appearance. So we can either have a light or dark mode. So you can change it to dark mode. And now I can see the big difference. So we can hit continue. And now it says welcome to iPad in the dark mode, so we could swipe up. So here's the iPad on iOS 13, and this is just the same process. It's also on iOS 13 Beta 2 to be exact. So we can go into settings now, and we can tell it's in iOS 13 by that dark mode, but just to confirm, we can go into about. And now if we take a look, it says iOS 13 Beta 2. So thanks for watching this video on how to get iOS 13 on any iOS device without a computer and developer account. Please be sure to subscribe to this video. Please smash the like button down below so you watch. Also be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for latest Apple news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/AppleCritics. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics. And thanks for watching.